Hello and good day. And as it reads here, this place is called Vikaköngäs. It's in Lapland, near Rovaniemi, Finland. This is a resting place and a nature path. You can take various ways to lengths of nature paths, and you can fish and make fires. In this vlog I test my Rode mic, which I'm speaking right now, and my GoPro vlogging abilities, which I could use later in many places. But now I give a turn to my past self to give you a little tour of this place. Small one, but still a tour. See you in my urban exploration videos. And bye. Hello and good day. We are somewhere at Lapland right now. Just checking the nature things. And I think those in the water are called rabbits or something. And there are a lot of bugs in here. Oh, nice bridge. Really nice. Bucks. Very cloudy day. It promised some rain and maybe a thunder. We don't have that much thunder in here. Just checking my friends. I think they are separated from me. Which path to take? I think there seems to be a nature path in path. Sometimes pronouncing makes a difference. What do you mean? You know, the path. Very strange names, even in Finnish, like Köngäiden polku, something path. Vikaköngäs, and I don't know what the hell. Vatunkivaara, luontopolku. Yeah, Kaltio, Ukkoharri. Strange names. I think there's some map here. Yeah. Plant and mushroom path. 0.2 kilometers. Very short ones, yes. And 7 kilometers. Sorry, I don't know miles. How much they are in miles. Okay. Okay, I think I might check one of these hats. My friends are gone. Where did they go? I really have to find them. Pause. Bye. Oh, okay, I think I have to quit this video right now. This was just a simple nature path video. So let me know if you want more this kind of videos. So see you later and goodbye.